Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Amazon's customer service by phone. So let's jump right in. First off, you need to log into your Amazon account, whether that's on a mobile device, a tablet, or a laptop, which is what I'm using right now. And once you're logged in, you're going to go up top here to where it says your name and account and lists. You're going to click that button, and then you're going to go right down here to the customer service button. Once you are here, click on the customer service button, and then there will be a little animation that pops up. Amazon's thinking about what to do. Once that loads, you're going to scroll on down to accessible support for customers with disabilities. Now, I know you may or may not have a disability, and that's fine. This phone number is the same for everyone, whether you have a disability or not. Next, you're going to click on Orders, Accounts, Payments, Memberships, and more. Once there, you're going to get a few different options. Chat with us. You can click this button and start chatting right away. Chat with an associate now, and you can do it that way. You can email them, but in this video, we're talking about how to contact them by phone. So you've got an option here to dial 1-888-283-1678, or you can actually request a call. I find that requesting a call is actually better than calling. Once you request a call, generally an Amazon associate will call you within 30 seconds to a minute. So you can go that route, or you can actually just dial the 888 number and give them a call. And if you've got an issue and customer service is unable to resolve it, a little tidbit for those who don't know, you can actually just tell the customer service rep, I'm going to email Jeff at Amazon.com. That's Jeff, Jeff, at Amazon.com, which is their escalation team. And they generally take very good care of you. That's about as high as you can go when contacting anyone at Amazon, and they're generally really receptive and can take care of any and all issues right there on the phone. But again, here's the phone number right here, 1-888-283-1678, or you can request a call. And again, requesting a call for me, I order quite a few things on Amazon. It's always been much quicker than actually calling. The reps will call you back in 30 seconds to a minute. So there you have it. That is the easiest way to contact Amazon customer support via their phone number. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos. Until then, I hope you all have a great day.